Hello, what's up guys, welcome to my new other video. So in this video I gonna show you how to fix Pubg Lite busy server problem. If you have facing this problem when you have opened your Pubg game and getting this pop-up error, so how can fix this error? So let's get started this video without wasting time. Firstly, open your Play Store and App Store. After then enter into the Play Store app and App Store, go on search bar and type in secure VPN. After then search secure VPN. Here you see secure VPN is it is the amazing VPN, and get first fully install this VPN and go back home screen. After then go back home screen and open your secure VPN. So just wait and watch, don't skip this video. You see agree and continue, so just click on agree and continue and get start. Here you see best location, click on best location, not to best location, and select the country region, India. So after then select the country region and tap to contact, and after then tap to contact, open your Pubg games and your problem has been permanently solved. If my video was helpful, so like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching for my